Nemi MacDonald, Climate Change, the Effect of Climate Change in People's Lives. Climate change is one of the most important issues in the world today because of its effect on everyone on the planet. In order to understand how people's lives will evolve as a result of climate change, we must first understand it properly. The Earth has been constant cycle of temperature instabilities and fluctuations for thousands of years, so climate change is one of the issues worth addressing. Scientists have successfully provided facts on the harmful effects of climate change in human health. According to Lola Boucher, the author of Climate Change and Health, scientists warn that a warming planet threatens human health. A United Nations agency estimates climate change will cause 250,000 additional deaths annually between 2030 and 2050. The threat is multifaceted, and the extreme heat is leading to spikes in a heat stroke in places as diverse as Baltimore and Paris. Imagine those people like me who are living in a desert place that can get to 109 degrees, that gets so hot in summer. Because of the climate change, my life or our life and health can always be in danger. People in developing countries will face the most devastating effects of climate change because of they are less financially. Across the globe, changing climates are worsening allergies and increasing the deadly reach of illnesses such as malaria, dengue, and West Nile virus. But consensus is lacking about what to do. Because of the lack financially and not prepare for it, one of the survey found that respondents ranked climate change as the top trend in 13 of 26 countries' food. As I grew up in Asia, I know how hard to get treated in the hospital. We don't have proper equipment for everyone unless you have money to pay and get treated. Climate change in the world can cause various activities. Even though we don't see it, we want to build something, we are destroying the planet. Another example is global warming, because that makes carbon dioxide from cars, factories rise in the air and break the ozone layer. According to Christina Lyons, the writer of Climate Change, says that the burning of coal, oil, gas, and clearing of forests have increased the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by more than 40% since the Industrial Revolution, and it has been for almost 2 centuries. This carbon dioxide traps heat. The effects of rapid climate change, including longer, hotter summers, shorter, warmer winters, more and torrential rains, coastal floods, and earlier snowmelt. Everything that we do to our earth is eventually coming back to us if we do not pay attention. Climate change is in danger in food availability because it makes the atmosphere thinner and that leads to more solar rays penetrating the atmosphere, making the weather hotter, and it reacts as fire forests. Climate change are something that we have to pay attention to. Whether you believe it or not, climate change is naturally occurring and hastened by man footprints. If we keep doing what we're doing, then we are going to end up in so much trouble from a natural disaster. The reality is we can do something, and that there are many ways to combat the climate change, and they all begin with you and me. We all must take responsibility for our action, learn to live sustainably for our children and our future and our world. Thank you.